Atlas World have a long-standing relationship with numerous supply chain partners. We couldn't do business without them. Hochiki has been one of our main supply chain partners for many years now, and we have successfully delivered many fire alarm systems throughout Ireland, both north and south and in GB. As our partnership grows in strength and innovation, Hochiki approached us with their new Firescape product, which is a natural progression for fire safety systems. The Firescape system is a low voltage, fully monitored emergency lighting system that monitors each individual fitting. When we approached the Belfast Trust with this new innovative product, they were very keen to progress and install it in one of their premises to improve efficiency and maintenance costs. Within the Health Trust environment, with audit and reporting being of utmost importance and patient safety and care, this was a natural progression for the Belfast Trust.